Good day, sir. I'm Christian T. Nazareno. The report we're going to tackle about is ocean currents and their effects. By the way, this is my group mates, Gisrel A. Asuncion, Janel S. Imnasi, GCH Tanoy, and John Lord B. Bunyao. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are continuous direct movements of seawater generated by various forces acting upon the water, including wind, temperature differences, salinity variation, and the Earth's rotation. These currents play a crucial role in the regulating global climate, influencing marine life and impacting human activity. Type of ocean currents. Ocean currents can be broadly classified into two types: surface currents and deep ocean currents. Surface currents driven by wind patterns in mainly found in the upper 400 meters of the ocean. Examples: Gulf Stream or Atlantic Ocean, Kuroshio Current or Pacific Ocean, and Canary Current. Number two is deep ocean currents. These currents caused by differences in water density due to variation in temperature and salinity, often referred to as the global conveyor belt. This current moves slowly but have a significant impact on climate. Major ocean currents of the world. Some well-known ocean currents include warm currents and cold currents. Example of warm currents: Gulf Stream, Kuroshio Current, and Alguaz Current. And the example of cold current is Labrador Current, California Current, and Peru. Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is a warm and swift Atlantic Ocean current that originates in the Gulf of Mexico and flows through the Strait of the Florida up the eastern. Kuroshio Current. The Kuroshio is a powerful western boundary current that transports warm equatorial water poleward and forms the western limb of the North Pacific. This is the example, sir. Picture. Alguaz Currents. The Alguaz Current is a strong, swift, and narrow ocean current that flows along the coast of Africa into the Indian Ocean. It's the western boundary current of the South Indian Ocean. Labrador Current. The Labrador Current is a cold current in the North Atlantic Ocean which flows from the Arctic Ocean south along the coast of Labrador and passes around the Newfoundland, continuing south along the east coast of Canada near Nova Scotia. By the way, the Labrador Current is nabilong siya sa cold current. California Current. The California Current is a cold, nutrient-rich ocean current that flows along the western coast of North America. It's an eastern boundary current, meaning it runs along the eastern side of major ocean basin. And the last one is Peru or Humboldt. The Humboldt Current, also known as the Peru Current, is a cold, low salinity ocean current that flows north along the western coast of South America, originating in the southern tip of Chile and flowing towards Peru.
Good day, sir. I am Gisrel Asuncion, and our topic is all about the effects of ocean currents. My part of this topic is climate regulation. Warm currents bring heat to the coastal regions, moderating temperatures. Warm currents are ocean currents carry warm water from the equatorial regions toward the poles. These currents play a vital role in regulating the Earth climate, influencing weather patterns, and supporting marine ecosystem. Here are some warm currents: are Gulf Stream, Kuroshio Current, Brazil Current, Agulhas Current. Cold currents lead to drier and cooler climates. Cold currents are ocean currents that carry colder water from polar regions or deeper ocean layers towards the equator. The currents significantly influence climate, weather patterns, and marine ecosystem. Here are some the cold currents are California Current, Humboldt Current, Labrador Current, and the West Wind Drift.
Good day, sir. I am Janelle Simnasi. This is my part of my report. Marine ecosystem and fisheries. Ocean is na belong sa effects of ocean currents. Nutrient-rich cold currents support rich marine life benefiting fisheries. Example, Peru. Current supports the fishing industry in South America. Next, warm currents help in coral reef formation and biodiversity.
Good day, sir. I'm JC Tanoy. Impact on weather patterns ocean. Ocean currents influence weather phenomena like monsoons, hurricanes, and El Nino and La Nina events. Ocean currents kay kusog sa kadagatan ug parayon nga paglihok sa tubig sa dagat nga adunay direksyon. Kaduha nga part. Change in ocean currents can lead to extreme weather conditions such as drought and floods. Ang pagbag-o sa direksyon og gikusgon sa paglihok sa tubig sa dagat.
Good day, sir. I'm John Lord Bunyao. I'm going to report. Our topic is navigation and trade, coastal erosion and sediment transport. First, navigation and trade. It refers to two interconnected concepts related to the movement and commerce. Navigation, the process of planning, directing, and controlling the movement of ships, aircraft, and other vehicles from one place to another. It includes maritime navigation, sailing of seas and ocean, aerial navigation, fly, aircraft, and land navigation. It involves using maps, compass, GPS, and other technologies to determine the best routes and ensure safe travel. Trade, the exchange of goods, services, or commodities between individuals, businesses, or nations. Trade can be local, national, or international and involve various means to transportation, including ships, airplanes, trucks, and trains. Sailors use ocean currents. Sailors have used ocean currents for centuries to navigate more efficiently, conserve energy, and reduce travel time. By understanding following ocean currents, sailors could move faster and avoid unnecessary struggles against strong opposing flows. Modern shipping. Modern shipping refers to the global transformation of goods, people, and resources using advanced ships, logistics, and technology. It is the backbone of international trade with over 80% of global trade carried by sea. Coastal erosion and sediment transport. Coastal erosion and sediment transport are natural processes that shape coastlines by removing sand, rocks, and sediments due to waves, currents, winds, and human activities. Coastal erosion sediment transport are interconnected. Erosion removes materials while sediment transport redistribute it along the coast. Managing this process is crucial for protecting coastal communities and ecosystems. Strong currents. Strong currents refers to fast-moving flows of water in ocean, seas, rivers, or coastal areas. These currents can be caused by wide tides, differences in water temperature and salinity, or underwater topography. Strong currents play a significant role shaping coastlines, affecting navigation and influencing marine ecosystems.